troubleshooting guide to help you fix the issue, whether it's a custom domain or Shopify purchase domain. Step-by-step solution to fix domain not connecting on Shopify. 1. Verify domain connection status. Go to Shopify Admin, Settings, Domains. See if your domain is listed and what the status says. Connected, verifying connection, setup in progress, DNS error, or not connected. 2. If you're using a third-party domain like GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc., check DNS records. You must set a record pointing to 23.227.38.65, CNAME www pointing to shops.myshopify.com. Steps: 1. Log into your domain registrar, GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc. 2. Go to DNS management. 3. Edit a record 23.227.38.65, CNAME record shops.myshopify.com. 4. Remove any conflicting A or CNAME records. Wait for propagation. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate. 3. SSL pending, HTTPS not working. Shopify auto-creates SSL, but it can be pending if DNS is incorrect. Once your domain is connected correctly, wait up to 48 hours for HTTPS. 4. Remove and reconnect domain if stuck. If the domain is stuck in connecting or SSL pending for more than 2 days, 1. Go to Shopify Domains. 2. Remove the domain. 3. Add it again using Connect Existing Domain. #5. Use Shopify's built-in domain setup tool. Go to Shopify Admin, Domains, Connect Existing Domain. Type your domain and follow the guide. It may connect automatically if you're using GoDaddy. 6. Clear cache, try incognito mode. Sometimes the issue is local browser cache. Try viewing your site in incognito mode. Or clear browser cache. 7. Contact Shopify support. If everything looks correct and still not working, go to help.shopify.com, choose chat or email support. Provide them with your domain name and DNS record screenshot. SEO